My name is Jackie Cooper, and I'm the author of the Bitcoin Cinderella. The Bitcoin Cinderella is a fairy tale series that explores the stories about Bitcoin and the adventures on the blockchain. The second book that I wrote, which is called The Bitcoin Cinderella and the Seven Dwarves, is only about Bitcoin and the history. And the dwarves in this story are mining Bitcoin instead of gold. I started writing these stories because of the fact that I thought that it was important for families to learn about Bitcoin and about the adventures on the blockchain. And so these stories are an easy way for you to read, for you to enjoy, and for you to learn. Again, we must be willing to let go of the life we plan so we can have the life that is waiting for us. And the Bitcoin Adventure Series, Bitcoin Cinderella Adventure Series, does just that. It shows you the magic within the fairy tale and within the life that we all can have. So Bitcoin was created so that way we could be free. And the Bitcoin protocol is one which is global. It's peer-to-peer, it's decentralized, and it is remarkable in terms of both the concept and its application. And so the Bitcoin Cinderella fairy tales helps you understand more about the terminology and the vocabulary in a fun and easy way, so children, along with adults, can enjoy and read and learn. The blockchain, the Bitcoin protocol, is on its own blockchain. And as we know, it is being used in El Salvador. Bitcoin is used in El Salvador and other countries. And today we're asking you to donate sats to help us get the Bitcoin Cinderella books out to the families within El Salvador. Blockchain fairy tales are the best way to educate, and again, one of the many tools that we have. So the Bitcoin Cinderella is available on Amazon if you would like to purchase it with fiat, but the Bitcoin Cinderella for El Salvador, we are asking that you actually donate sats, because we will need to be publishing the book within El Salvador and distributing it down in El Salvador. So if you would like to get the book on Amazon, you definitely can. But for today, what we are asking is that you help share the Bitcoin Cinderella books by donating sats. And that way, as we receive the sats, we are able then to publish the books and distribute them to families. So we appreciate you having this go global. And if you would like to scan the QR code, then that is for specifically this project of getting the books, Bitcoin Cinderella and the Seven Dwarves, the Spanish-English version, out to families within El Salvador. So thank you so much. Enjoy the conference. And if you have any questions, you can email me at jc@bli.tools. And I welcome you to go visit the Blockchain Legal Insitute. We have a Bitcoin vertical that has many resources for you to learn and explore. So definitely visit www.bli.tools. And the El Salvador Association is in partnership with us, and we are very excited to be supporting their education initiative within El Salvador for the families. Have a great day, enjoy the conference, and talk soon. Bye.